Alright, back with Jake's break. Gonna try one of these old 2010 limited. Got 7 boxes, 1 on top, 7 on bottom. Here we go, Jake. Box number 6. Boom. And that's box number 26. 2010 limited. Alright, we have Kenny Britt, Forrest Gregg, Flip, Joe Webb, Flip, Eli Manning. First hit, Jersey, Brandon Jacobs. 2 cards are stuck together. There we go, Brandon Jacobs. That's number 200. Next, we have Dez Bryant, Jumbo Jersey. That one's numbered to 50. 11 of only 15 Jumbo Patch. Hines Ward. Numbered to only 15 on that one. And Phenom's autograph, Jason Pierre-Paul. And that is $1.99. So, there you have it, Jake. I appreciate it, bro. I'll get it out later on. See ya.